Let's take a high-level view on what key agreement is. The discussion that we're having is based on NIST publications, as well as one RFC that will be useful for our discussion. Now, NIST, we are using in this discussion the terms defined by NIST. Let's talk about key establishment. Key establishment is any procedure that at the end of that procedure both parties end up with some secret material, and of course that secret material is the same for both. Now there are two different ways or two different types of key establishment according to NIST. The key agreement, which is what we're discussing, is about both parties without sending the secret material, they arrive to the same material, right? There is no transmission. They both, on their end, they arrive to the same secret material. As opposed to in key transport, where the parties involved, they need to find a way how to distribute the secret material, right? So there is a transmission. There is something that you need to transmit to carry this to someone else. Now, about the objective of this, which is to secure end-to-end transmission. You can think about that problem being solved in two pieces. One is the key establishment, which we're going to use key agreement. And then the other is the trust establishment. How the parties interacting in this procedure, how can they trust each other? How do they know who they are talking to, right? So for that, the key agreement needs to be preceded by some form of interaction where there are some guarantees about the material belongs, or cryptographic material truly belongs to an entity that is trusted. So that is trust establishment. Now, the goals for the end-to-end transmission. We want to accomplish 5 things: confidentiality, integrity, authenticity, non-repudiation, forward secrecy. We will discuss about all of that in a subsequent video. All of this is related to data privacy. Data privacy is extremely important, more nowadays. Data needs to be transmitted, or it could be stored at rest, right? The majority of the discussion is going to be on the in-transit part. However, there is also a small piece into this about data at rest, but in general, just think this is for data in transit.